Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Lloyds saving account, and this is actually very simple. You head over to Google and you search for Lloyds Bank savings account and then click on the first link that comes up. From there you'll see that we are on Easy Saver, but if you head over to savings just before, then you'll see that they have like a bunch of these available, which is instant access, things like that. Let's say we want instant access, so if you click on this you can see all of the information that is like provided and things like that. But now what you're going to do is head back to that previous website, and as you can see, Easy Saver. So what you can do is basically scroll down until you find something called Open Now. So we're going to click on Open Now right over here. So what you're going to do basically is it's going to ask you if you're already, let's say we are not already one, but if you are one, you're going to click on yes. So let's say you are not, so you need to be a UK resident and you need to be over 16 years old. You need your address for the last 3 years, all of these things. And then let's say you are new. So if you're new, you're going to click on apply now. If you're already a customer, you're going to click on register and apply. So click on the one that applies to you. And now the first step is about you. So you're going to put in all of your information, if you're Mr., Mrs., any of these ones, and then your name as on passport or ID. Make sure you go with either passport or either ID, and basically from there they're going to ask you where you live and then a bit more about you, and then your contact details, your marketing choices. Just fill out all of this information and click on continue, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.